In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix audio not downloading problem in WhatsApp. Let's get started. First, check your internet connection. Make sure you have stable and strong internet connection. You can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to check if the problem is from your network. In case you have enabled VPN, disable it, as sometimes it can interfere with WhatsApp downloads. Now reset network settings. For that, launch Settings app. Go to General. Then scroll all the way down, click on the option Transfer or Reset iPhone, click on Reset Network Settings and go through the process. If still you are having the issue, what you want to do is check for app update. So close this, launch your App Store or Play Store. Search for WhatsApp. If you see the option update, click on it and update the app to its latest version, as outdated versions can cause glitches. And if nothing works, completely delete WhatsApp from your device and reinstall it. And that's it. With these, you'll be good to go. Your problem will be resolved. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.